started Paytab, the fintech world did not exist yet. We hear about the Silicon Valley, but we don't know really what entrepreneur is. I wanted to build and own the IP of the region. Looking around banks and asking everyone, half of the people ask they don't know payment, and half of the people I ask they have no system in place or platform. Everyone is renting from everyone else. This is one of, I would say, the foundation of the company is until today, we have 100% we own our IP. And even whenever we build a product or launch a new product, either we own it, buy it, or code it. The growth of the company, I would say, we went from $100 a month to next year we are hitting $53 billion. Our solution today is 45 banks and financial institutions in the region. We got almost 35 government entities using the platform today. One of the market, we launched the product with them for the Ministry of Interior. I think in a year time, we managed to process over $1 billion of transaction, which literally been entirely cash-based. Can you imagine in a year time, you managed to shift $1 billion of cash to digital? Because for me is how to enable the citizen of that nation to adapt to the culture. You cannot come and bring your own product and say, this is a product, take it or leave it. You know, when we go to Asia or go to Europe, we always understand what the culture is there. It's, for me, it's the same for business, right? You really need to understand that market and their culture of how they are doing business. Our market share is really growing extremely fast. The vision we come up with is really touching every transaction in the region. Wherever there's an access to digital transaction, we go after this. Second is, if you see the territory of the region today, you go to countries like Egypt, 25% of 100 million is digital. You're talking about 75% still cash-based market, right? You go to Morocco, up to the north. You go to Iraq, where almost 90% is cash. If you ask me where Paytab is heading, I think you got the answer now.